Okay, we're back again with the Royal Ally. You might have noticed the last video I mentioned about the seat rack being cracked and affecting the GoPro 360 camera because the wobbles all over the place. The rack, but I don't know if you can see on this, I'll show you. You see under there, it's actually cracked. And what it is, it's just cracked here now. It's almost brand new, this rack, so it's a pro design. I'll just quickly show you on the little camera. Just there, if you can see how it's cracked. So I think that's causing quite a bit of wobble. So hopefully if we weld that one up, put it back on, this won't wobble so much. I'll get some better 360 footage for the rallies. It's on 4 bolts, and unfortunately the 4 bolts are way up there. Now they are accessible without taking the panels off, but it'd be a lot easier to take them off. I think for the video I'll take one side panel off to show you. I've got a video already on how to take side panels off and I'll just fit the flugel binder release kit, so we won't go through that. Yep, 50mm bolts. I think simple. Let's put the extension socket on the bottom nut. Do the socket on here if you wanted to. Good. Yeah. I like these captive nuts with a little shoulder on them. Much better than messing around with washers. So that side, same on that side. So it's quite a reach. So I've got some wobble bars. All sorts of configurations there. I'm sure we'll be able to reach it. At least one of them. Let's have a look. Ah, there's not missing off there. No nut on. Not, does it? So I think we'll get rid of that knuckle. So we've got wobble bar and a wobble bar. I'll just open it up. But we'll explain why the backrest has been wobbling around and why the 360 camera just not been very good. There's the nut. Crack it in. Oh, there's the crack. I don't know if you can see, but there's one little bit of weld on. Alright, we're back. Paint's pretty much dry now, so we're going to stick this on. We'll do this side first because it's the easiest with the panel being off. I'll stick that in place. Put the other one in. trust me, it's up there somewhere. Okay. That's good. Right. It's not going to fall off now anyway. Right. That's right. Wash it in a minute. Right. So I'm going to fall off now. Let's take the last of these nuts now. Nice. So on the other side for that one. I'm not going to do it too tight in case it is putting straight on the bolts on the frame. That's it. That is solid now. Get some decent 360 camera footage now. Nice. Done. Just put the side panels on, that's it. As always, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos. That's it for now.